everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Hello my darling people, my correct people. This video when I want analyze today now, this man where he say in name na Ajebo Amameyahu or Efe. Una go know am, aka Ogogo. Una go remember this video that time when the video come out, where everybody like when a yes woman come out, come talk, Amameyahu Efe, not the provide for am, not they give am money, make him take care of his children when he born for am. But he can go open orphanage home. I know say some of them go talk, say, Lady J, this video don't take. I know say it don't take, but there are some things when I want to pick for his side, we want make me analyze this video. More than listen to my darling people. This woman I carry am from Nigeria come Spain. This woman so. Now he carry Amameyahu Efe from Nigeria come Spain. Now he carry am come. But when he come, why I want to do this video, be see some of our women that they made this mistake well. That they make this kind of mistake where this woman do. A man never married you. He not put money for your head for Nigeria. You can go bring and come from Nigeria, come Europe as boyfriends. Me don't understand. How some of them they behave. At the end, it still leave you. I just want to make some of them more pick sense for this video. Now want make me do one. More listen. Una know this man now, Amameyahu or Efe. They always they claim say no they do saga, but of recent now don't enter saga. More listen.
They come from Nigeria, not be so that it's call come. That flight. You understand? I don't check my voice. I don't check my number. Who want call confirm make you call my line direct because here we go. When they say let's get him avant. If people feel say na party I do, why they don't find my number? Say they call my line direct.
Okay.
Because now me use my money carry I come from Nigeria, come abroad.
Now the year.
Not be do or die say man I want must marry to the end.
No.
You they get my point. Not be do or die.
Not be do or die.
If we not marry, talk let's say we must follow up. I born for a carry I come I born for a thank God. Today get picking. Thank God today me.
It say not be do or die, say they must marry. So it shows say he not put money for your head for Nigeria before he even bring her come. On the year, our women say they make a very big mistake of their life. And you go bring man from Nigeria, you not go put money for your head. You carry him come to Europe. At the end, after the money where you spend everything, he leave you. What are listening?
I born for a carry I come I born for a thank God. Today get picking. Thank God today me I still get picking. Everybody they okay, everybody they successful. But my problem with him is this. Why him they narrate me to take meet up? You not supposed to narrate me to take meet up. You understand? Me, I never want the narrator for social media. Yes. I never wanted. This is my first time of me coming out on social media. Me, I call it talk to
the woman way born for a move.
Let me tell you that word just now. Say, I don't get anybody explanation. One if say I do a bad, make it come ask me direct. He will quote me. He will ask me, say, why you do this thing bad? I will ask her whether I be my God. You understand? And moreover, my brother, this life, anything when mama, papa do, anything when mama, papa do for life, not be the one they'll say they worry the children because the children they are innocent. They are innocent. They know nothing about what their parents are doing. You get my point. So, Father, for Europe, where we did, so we will know as everybody be for Europe, a condition of Europe. Nobody will talk say no as Europe be. So it will born Peking. Then you go say because say that woman do a bad thing, for that simple reason, you don't care what he want to do to those children.
And at there, our men for they get her wrong. There are some things on our pick for this video. Now there, our men for they get her wrong. Because a woman treats you bad or it do you one kind thing will make you leave her. No me say you go abandon your own pikin. Very, very bad. Very, very bad. For you to abandon your own pikin because the woman do you one kind thing where you not like, you abandon your own children. You know they give them any money. You know they contribute for their life. Then tomorrow you can't they expect me that pikin give you water, may you drink. Like seriously, is it really done that way? My people, when they see the matter, and this same man go open organization for Nigeria where they call human rights, like they help orphanage. More than obvious, not be human rights, orphanage. They go open them. Say one they help the less privileged people will not get money to take care of their pikin. Children where they suffer, they want the help them. Now very good thing. But your own when you live, are you taking care of them? You dey take care of them? Now there wahala dey o. Now there problem dey o. More na listen, mo we regarder la ba.
What he want to do to those children? You get my point. Because they don't care what he want to do to those children. This September where we want end. So last week Sunday, night be my first daughter when me born for her. Be 17 years, which is 20th of September. Mona ask her whether he call that girl say happy birthday. Just only happy birthday. After they talk now, Mona they ask her the question. Who's are they right? Make it the jot her down. I don't wish her death.
One the year.
You understand?
Yes.
I don't wish her death, but I believe say my God go ask her question.
Okay.
Concerning waiting in us to those children. Two girls. That's where you get girls for Europe. You know, say don't grow. You go buy bra.
Yes.
Yes.
Pad.
Yes.
You go buy shoe.
And the children don't grow. Children where they that time they be 18 years. Now the children go don't pass 20 years. Now they see the matter. But in the year they take care of a woman. They take care of pikin. Not the only one that this thing, no. Many men for this social media. If you know, say you dey live fake life for this social media, stop lying, stop deceiving people. Because we must know one day. That is why lie not good. Stop lying. Because we must know the game. You understand? Stop lying. Stop pretending. Why you go dey lie? When you know, say, one day your nyash to go open for this social media. My darling people, I just want to just hear some things. The video long go. I'm not going to play everything. I just want to pick some points for each side. Stop lying. And before you bring man come Europe, make sure say na man will be say, una do already know say una go marry and you don't put money for your head for Nigeria before you go to bring her. Who does that? You bring man come without marriage, nothing. Like seriously, it's not done. Very, very bad. You understand? Very, very bad. But we know they made that mistake again. At the end, he leave him. He did with another woman for Germany, yeah. And that one turn still divorcee. We first see married before for Italy. Now they see the matter. We know everything. So my ogbonge people, anything wanna think about this video, more na leave una comment for the comment section. Thank you. Bye.